Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study some equations in vector calculus. Del operation, del of fg, that is f into del g plus g into del f. Del dot f a bar, that is equal to f into del dot a bar plus del f dot a bar. Del cross f a bar, that is equal to f into del cross a bar plus del f cross a bar. Del cross a is equal to del into del dot a minus del square a. Del dot a cross b is equal to b dot del cross a minus a dot del cross b. Del cross a cross b is equal to a into del dot b plus b dot del into a minus b into del dot a minus a dot del into b. We have two null results, that is scale of gradient of a scalar is equal to 0. Short form of this, that is CGS is equal to 0, that is curl of means del cross of del phi is equal to 0. Divergence of a curl of a vector is equal to 0. Another null result is that DCV of the short form, divergence of curl of a vector is equal to 0. Del dot del cross a is equal to 0. Curl of a vector is equal to 0 means the vector can be written in terms of grade of a scalar. Okay, the two null results, that is very important, and we should by heart these things, that is CGS is equal to 0, DCV is equal to 0. CGS means curl of gradient of a scalar and divergence of curl of vector is equal to 0. In which show that the given vector field is rotational and also find the corresponding scalar such that vector del f. Okay, we have to find the given vector is in the rotational vector. Here rotational means del cross a is equal to 0. So determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, y square minus x square plus y, x into 2y plus 1, 0. We find the determinant, that is I into dou by dou y of 0 minus dou by dou z of x into 2y plus 1 minus j into dou by dou x of into 0 dou by dou z of y square minus x square plus y plus k into dou by dou x of x into 2y plus 1 minus dou by dou y of y square minus x square plus y. From that we get that k into 2y plus 1 minus of 2y plus 1, every term that is equal to 0. So we get that it is in a rotational vector. A rotational vector means the vector can be written as a grade of a scalar. So that is del f x cap dou by dou f by dou x plus y cap dou f by dou y plus z cap dou f by dou z is equal to axx plus ayy plus azz. Comparing this we get that ax is equal to dou f by dou x, ay is equal to dou f by dou y, az is equal to dou f by dou z. From that dou f is equal to ax dou x, integrate that with respect to x, we get that dou f is equal to y square x minus x cube by 3 plus yx. And second term we integrate, that is dou f by dou y is equal to ay. So dou f is equal to ay dou y. From that integrate with respect to y, we get f as xy square plus xy. Third term, that is dou f by dou z is equal to az. From that we get a dou f by dou z is equal to 0 because there is no z term in the a vector. So we get that f is equal to c from integration. We know that we have three functions. Here three different functions we get. What is the real function means just add everything, don't add the repeated things, that is xy square is a term and minus x cube by 3 plus xy. Xy square is a repeated term, so it is not added into the real f. Xy is also repeated term, so it is not added. C is in another term, so added. So this is the function. So add everything and don't add the repeated things. Okay. Here the next vector, that is a bar is equal to cos of x square plus y square plus z square into xik plus yj plus zk, in which we have to find the vector is in a rotational vector and we have to find the scalar of the del f form. Okay. This question also we have to find the vector is in rotational vector and find the scalar corresponding to the vector in which del vector is equal to del f. Okay, so a bar is equal to cos of x square plus y square plus z square into xi plus yj plus 8k. From that, del cross is equal to determinant of ijk, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, x cos x square plus y square plus z square, y cos x square plus y square plus z square, z cos x square plus y square plus z square. From that, we know the determinant it is given by I into dou by dou y of z cos x square plus y square plus z square minus dou by dou z of y cos x square plus y square plus z square minus j of dou by dou x of z cos x square plus y square plus z square minus dou by dou z of x cos x square plus y square plus z square plus k of dou by dou x of y cos of x square plus y square plus z square minus dou by dou y of x cos x square plus y square plus z square. From that we get that the rotational vector is that is del cross is equal to 0. From that we get that is del cross is equal to 0. So A is equal to del f. So dou f by dou x I plus dou f by dou y j plus dou f by dou z k. And that's equal to x I plus a y j plus a z k. And from that we equate these equations. We get that ax is equal to dou f by dou x. From that, dou f is equal to ax dou x, that is f is equal to integral of ax dou x. From that we integrate with x, we get that x square plus y square plus z square is t, and 2x dou x is equal to t, x dou x is equal to t by 2. Substitute this, we get that integral cos t, that is equal to sin t. So half of sine of x square plus y square plus z square is the answer. Integral of dou f with respect to y also we get that sine of x square plus y square plus z square by 2. With respect to z also we get that x square sine of x square plus y square plus z square divided by 2. So we know that the final function or final scalar vector, that is add everything and don't add repeated things. So the answer is sine of x square plus y square plus z square divided by 2. Thank you for watching.